Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to escape wildcard characters while using XLOOKUP function. So here is my term. So I named as A, B, and then I'm going to use two filters here, two formulas, XLOOKUP and filter. So under A, you can see there is an unusual text which are having the wildcard entries. So this tutorial is all about how to escape wildcards and match these range and match this range with this result range. So I'm going to match all the cells which are ending with 23. So I'm able to match 23 with these results. So let's see how the formula is going to work and how to escape the wildcards. First, I'm going to write XLOOKUP. Now, what I am ignoring here, what I am looking for is number 23, right? I'm going to write 23, and then I'm going to write tilde, which means this is kind of important here. This tells that anything which starts with asterisk, it should grab it. And then I'm going to write one more asterisk, which tells us like anything which begins with asterisk 23, it should give it to XLOOKUP, right? So this is tells the number which starts with asterisk, and this is like wherever it starts, like it should start looking for this this number. So that's how it works, and we can escape the wildcard. Now I'm going to give the lookup range and then the result range, comma, missing value, comma, wildcard match. So it should give me the 10, which is correct value for this thing. So I'm going to explain one more time. What we are doing here is I have written the XLOOKUP formula, and then I have added double asterisk because the text also contains asterisk. So that's the reason I added asterisk and 23. Tilde is especially looking for any character which has a asterisk or any wildcard character it's going to look for. And the first asterisk is telling that look for this value. So every character has a purpose. So this is a formula and we'll get the result. But what if we want to grab all the such keys which are ending with 23? So I'm going to use the filter function here. So filter, I'm going to give the range what it should look for, and then the regex match, and then the result for regex match. The range for regex match is this, and then I'm going to include 23 here, and then I'm going to give since this is a wildcard match, so I'm going to write / and then I should look for specifically the characters which are like wild characters and beginning with asterisk 23. Then I should look for in this range and then give it to filter. So I'm going to end the parenthesis. So it should give me the results of 10 and 40. If I add 23 here, will it work? No, it will not work because there is no asterisk. So we specifically asked XLOOKUP and the filter function to look for this 23, asterisk 23, right? So let's add asterisk here. So it should work because now it matches irrespective of what letter it begins with. But if it is ending with asterisk 23, it should give me the result. So this is how you can escape the wildcard characters using tilde and using this formula. So basically it works pretty good and it can grab all the results. Hardly you see this type of data in your DUMs, but if you see, then this is a formula. And I'm going to add a little bit sheet for practice purposes, so you can make a copy of it and use for practice. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.